So far we learned so many reactions of aldehydes and ketones, right? What does it tells us? It tells us that these aldehydes and ketones are very useful in this chemical industry, where these aldehydes and ketones are used as solvents, reagents and even as the starting materials for the synthesis of many products. Let's take the formaldehyde. You must have been to the biology labs, right? Where the biological specimens are stored in a bottle filled with some liquid. What is that liquid? With a pungent smell, it's nothing but the formalin. This formalin is a 40% solution of the formaldehyde. The next one is bakelite. This bakelite is the first plastic produced from the synthetic products. This is nothing but a thermosetting phenol formaldehyde resin. This bakelite is used for preparing the non-conducting parts of television, radios and many electrical devices such as switches and even the bases of light bulbs. The other useful formaldehyde is urea formaldehyde. This is produced from urea and formaldehyde. These are used as adhesives, wood glues, wrinkle resistant fabrics, etc. The other useful aldehyde is acetaldehyde, which is a starting material in the manufacturing of many compounds such as acetic acid, ethyl acetate, vinyl acetate, polymers and drugs. When it comes to benzaldehyde, these are employed as a almond flavor in the food products and scented products. Hence, these are widely used in the perfumery and also in dye industries. And acetones and ethyl methyl ketones are very commonly used industrial solvents. Many aldehydes and ketones such as butyraldehyde, vanillin, camphor, acetophenone, etc. they are used only for their odors and flavors. So, this ends the uses of aldehydes and ketones.